One of the biggest mistakes that scholars make when they discuss legal history as it pertains to marriage and family law is that they talk about all the negative aspects of the law for women. And certainly under coverture, there was a sense in which women were limited, and arguably there was an element of paternalistic sexism. Unfortunately, scholars never share about the very consequential legal burdens that were imposed upon men. I suspect a lot of people don't know that men were obligated to provide for their wives and families financially, and men who failed to do so faced very serious consequences, both under the civil law and then later under criminal law. Uh, a lot of people have probably never heard, for instance, of the doctrine of necessaries. Under the doctrine of necessaries, a woman could purchase goods on her husband's credit. And if he failed to pay the creditors, he could end up in debtor's prison. I offer some examples of that in the book. Additionally, men in some cases could be held responsible for their wives' criminal actions if those criminal actions were done in the presence of their husbands. Men could be held liable for their wives' civil wrongs. So if a wife battered someone or engaged in some kind of negligent behavior whereby somebody got hurt, the husband's name had to be named in that lawsuit. So men were by no means able to escape responsibility. And while these laws and customs changed over time, I think it's very important for people to understand that the law imposed burdens on both sexes.